Good morning, everyone. Morning, Abby.
Morning.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Did you have a good sleep?
I did have a very good sleep actually. I'm much better than the one last night.
Good.
Yeah.
We are at our new campsite. We haven't seen this yet because the battery died yesterday, but we're all caught up with batteries. We've got power, so haha.
You're pushing me. You pushed me first.
No. We are just exploring. Abby's going to show me the kitchen. Is that it?
Yeah.
So there's three kitchens in the campsite. There's bathrooms, there's toilets, showers.
And there's the barbecue thing.
Ooh. There's all sorts here. There's a swimming pool, there's a bar, there's a restaurant, there's a bouncy thing which we're going to go and bounce on now.
Yeah. Kayaking.
We're going to go hire some kayaks as well. What else are we going to do? Oh, there's a fridge.
There's a freezer.
That's very trusting to put your stuff in there. Check it out. Check out our pool. Look at that. That actually does look amazing, those little sun lounges. Oh, we've got to go sit over there. And there's even a slide. Oh my god, the slide. Oh, we've got to go on this stuff. We've got to. Hell yeah, check this out. No shoes. Oh, you have to take your shoes off.
Do it, do it, do it. Oh my god, this is so much fun. Ah! Ooh, check out Ryan. I'm very sorry, this is really bouncy filming, guys. Ah!
I actually feel knackered. I feel so tired. Oh my god.
Oh, this is fun. We was literally on here with like a bunch of like kids as well. It was
If we
like,
stay here for the next month and do this every day,
we'll be
we
fit
might
as.
be a little
I'll
bit-
be having like a 6-pack and some like really tight bum or something.
Go, go, go! It's hot if you just stand on it, it burns your feet. Right guys, time for a bit of fun now. Me and Abby have just rented a kayak, so this camera is now going away. I don't know what the audio quality is like on the GoPro because I haven't really used it. Well, we are going to be using it for our kayaking, so the next bit of video, there might be some music, there might not, I don't know. You ready?
I'm ready, you ready?
Cool. Let's go do some kayaking. Yo! Well, that was fun. We did kayaking, but it was exhausting. Kayaking. Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit.
It was very hot as well. But it was really beautiful and we saw kingfishers. I still can't believe we saw kingfishers.
Australian kingfishers.
Yeah, but it looked the same.
No, it looked different.
No, it's blue and orange.
Yeah,
We'll
but
see.
it looked different.
We'll see. Hopefully we got it on the camera. Strawberries and
Strawberries and
chocolate
bacon.
and strawberries is what Abby's going for right now. Yeah, we just went to a little tip if you're travelling. Go to the farm. What was it? Little farmers market thing. Super cheap veg.
Dirt
fruit.
cheap. What was that?
They grow their own strawberries literally next door to where we are. Look at them.
Absolutely beautiful. Really
amazing.
tasty.
So yeah, and they're cheap as well. So. Okay, I know it looks a bit grey, but it's actually still really warm and there's blue sky over that way, so me and Abby are going to do some swimming and drinking.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that.
Here we go, this is what we were telling you about. That looks good to me. Woo.
Morning, guys.
We didn't end the vlog yesterday because we are bad.
You sound like King Kong or something. Stumping
What does
around
King
in
Kong sound like? Why, because I've got a banana in there. We did not end the vlog yesterday.
I can't take you seriously, I really can't.
Yeah, so sorry about that. I don't really know what happened.
Why is it gone dark for?
Go lights, please. Light up. Yeah, I don't really know what happened.
I feel actually tired.
Yeah, we just crashed really.
We did a lot yesterday.
That upkeep on a camper van is actually quite a lot. Because we haven't got enough space, we spend half our time moving stuff around, which is just annoying. And it rained actually. Actually, that's the other reason. It actually chucked it down all night. We tried to do some washing, we couldn't do any washing.
No.
And we just gave up. But I have a request of everyone.
What's this request?
I would like everyone who is watching my videos and subscribed or not subscribed to please help me get to 100 subscribers. I don't even care about anything past that. I would just like to get to 100 subscribers so I can get rid of all the little numbers and stuff after my name on YouTube and just have my name, rather than, because the way it works is when you set up a channel on YouTube, you have they give you, obviously you sort it out, you set it up, but the channel name that it gives you is like YouTube/46YX.-X2111 or something like that. But when you get to 100 subscribers, you get your own URL thing, so it will just be YouTube/Ryan Back, which would be 100 times better. So everyone that's watching, if you're not subscribed, can you please help me out? Anyways, thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you like the kayaking.
Stop shouting!
I hope you like the
Stop shouting! It's starting to shout. It sounds aggressive.
I'm excited. I'm just excited. Okay. See you all tomorrow.